to pamper your skin without spending a fortune? Let's dive into the world of budget-friendly DIY face masks that will give you glowing, fresh skin right at home. Our first mask is a super simple honey and lemon combo. All you need is 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Honey is a natural moisturizer, while lemon helps brighten your skin. This combo works wonders for reducing dark spots and giving your face that fresh glow. Leave this mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. You'll love how refreshed your skin looks after just one use. The creamy avocado and yogurt mask. Mash half an avocado and mix it with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Avocado is rich in vitamins and healthy fats, perfect for moisturizing, while yogurt has soothing properties that help calm irritated skin. Apply this to your face for 15 minutes, then rinse with cool water. This mask will leave your skin feeling nourished and soft. Now let's talk about the oatmeal and honey mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a little warm water to create a smooth paste. This mask is amazing for sensitive skin. It gently exfoliates and reduces redness. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently scrub it off in circular motions. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and calm. For a refreshing, anti-inflammatory mask, try green tea and aloe vera. Brew a strong cup of green tea, and mix it with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Green tea has antioxidants that fight aging, and aloe vera soothes and hydrates your skin. Apply for about 10 minutes, then rinse off. This mask is perfect for calming irritated skin or after sun exposure. And there you have it, 4 amazing DIY face masks that will save you money while giving you healthy, glowing skin. These are easy, natural, and packed with skin-loving ingredients. Which mask will you try first? Leave a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more beauty tips.